Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Miras Afridi. Today we will practice on tongue twister. Very important tongue twister are given right on the board. We will go through it and you will come to know how these were pronounced. So just have a look. CH sound and C. Chester. Chester cheetah chews a chunk of cheap cheddar cheese. So try to be fluent enough with that. Chester cheetah chews a chunk of cheap cheddar cheese. This is how you have to pronounce by continuous practice. Now come to K. Kinky. It sounds k, k, k. Keep in mind. K. Kinky. Kite. Kids. Keenly. Cleaning. Copper. Kettles. So try to flirt with that. Kinky kite, kids keenly cleaning copper kettles. Again. Kinky kite, kids keenly cleaning copper kettles. Now, next. Lonely. Lonely, low lane. Look at L. L. Like we have so many words. Letter, little, lane. Look at that. Just try to roll up your tongue at the tip of the tongue, and then you can pronounce. Just this, tip of the tongue will touch like. Just roll up your tongue, and it will touch at this ear of your mouth, and it pronounces like letter like this. So try to pronounce the way I am pronouncing. Look at that. Lonely, low-laned, lammas. Or ladylike. Just at the tip of the tongue, try to pronounce this kind of words, and it will be easy for you to go through so many times. Then, by continuous practice, you will be able to pronounce correctly. Now, come to this one. It sounds like puffing sound. It's a puffing sound. Means the flow of the air just go through your lips, no? By pressing. Look, when you press your lips, then and press what? By pressing your lips, it sounds like. Look at that. Peter Piper picks a pack of pickled pepper. Just try to speak fluent. Well, touch like. Just roll up your tongue. It will touch at this ear of your mouth, and it pronounced like letter like this. So try to pronounce the way I am pronouncing. Look at that. Lonely, low-laned, lammas. Or ladylike. Just at the tip of the tongue, try to pronounce this kind of words, and it will be easy for you to go through so many times. Then, by continuous practice, you will be able to pronounce correctly. Now, come to this one. It sounds like puffing sound. It's a puffing sound. Means the flow of the air just go through your lips, no? By pressing. Look, when you press your lips, then and press what? By pressing your lips, it sounds like. Look at that. Peter Piper picks a pack of pickled pepper. Just try to speak fluent. Peter Piper picks a pack of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picks a pack of pickled peppers. This is how you will have to. Not like French people. They usually pronounce like this. Like. Rory, long, rack, really, racks, really, right. Not try to speak in a fluent way. Look at me. Rory, long, rack, really, racks, really, right. So how you pronounce this kind of word? Now next. So a tutor who tutored a flute died to tutor two. To tutor. Look at me. A tutor who tutored. A fool died to tutor. To tutor. To tutor. To tutor. Like this. So I know it's a bit tricky one for you people, but by practice it will be able, it will be more convenient for you by practice. No, look at another one. It's V sound, and V usually is called vibration sound. Your lips vibrate. Look at me. This is vibration. You know, your lips vibrate during pronouncing V sound. Look at your lips vibrate during pronouncing V sound. Look at me. Veering, veering wide, and W, wah. Relax. Just from the jaws with open jaw, you may pronounce this sound. I mean W sound. Like wow. Pronounce like me. Wow. Like this. Look at me. Veering wide helps vehicle win. Vehicle win. Look at V and look at W, like vehicle win. Now next. W sound. We. Like wow. We say like this. We voted vegans. We voted vegans and we vented. We voted vegans and we vented. Like this. And our word. Again, I'm going to repeat it. We voted vegans and we vented our word. Practice on that. You'll be able to stabilize your pronunciation better. Practice makes perfect. Don't forget. Wish you best of luck. Have a good time.